all these new country songs. Oh my gosh, I'm on empty. I'm motivated to work out because yesterday I had such a good cardio workout. So I'm so excited. I love working out, and a lot of people are like, how do you stay motivated to work out? And it's just, I think about the outcome, and also I just enjoy letting out all that energy, like bad energy. Like when you work out, you let out all that bad energy, let out all that steam and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a lot of fun, and you just have to put your mind to it and stay focused. Everyone get pumped for this workout! Yeah!
Prepárate! Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Niña! Ahí baila! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump! Brinca! Ahí baila! Brinca!
abs. I'm not even flexing. I'm not even flexing. That was such an amazing workout. I had so much fun. I just love working out with the people I love the most.
Me and Allie, we love each other so much.
Oh my gosh, look at all those people. They're like staring at each other like, what? I have like a thing in my throat, so.
I'm trying our water. Ugh, my tits always fall down when I'm
She's the posse.
I'm the posse. I have
Wait,
a
hold
backpack.
on. Stay back there.
So
Yeah, that's our life.
that's the wall.
Hope you guys enjoy.